Jacqueline A. Kaankan, together with Regional Executive Director, Attorney Michael Drake P. Matias, and Regional Director of EMB NCR, Attorney Janice R. Pami. So as mentioned earlier, ladies and gentlemen, ang permitting on wheels ay hindi lamang po isang information drive. Ito ay isang one-stop, on-site, and online-enabled service hub. Narito po ang ilan sa mga pangunahing serbisyo na maaari ninyong ma-access at o ma-process ngayong araw. Para sa Environmental Management Bureau Services, for air and water quality, maaari po nating maproseso ang inyong permit to operate, air at wastewater discharge permits. For chemicals management, we have small quantity importation clearances and chemical control orders registrations. For environmental impact assessment, on-site assistance for certificates of non-coverage or CNC. For hazardous waste, priority natin ang hazardous waste generator registration certificates at permits to transport. For cross-cutting services, kasama po rito ang Pollution Control Officer Accreditation, self-monitoring reports at compliance monitoring reports. Para sa EMB NCR services naman, Certificate of Non-Coverage, Wastewater Discharge Permit, Permit to Operate, Hazardous Waste Generator ID, Pollution Control Officer Accreditation, at Environmental Compliance Certificate. At for the DNR NCR services, tree cutting permits, permit to purchase chainsaw, chainsaw registration, Certificate of Wildlife Registration, Wildlife Local Transport Permit, at Wildlife Import Certification. Sa kabuuan po, meron tayong 14 booths na maaari natin puntahan, at para sa mas detalyeng impormasyon sa ating mga booth, narito po ang mga detalye. For booth number 1, Certificate of Conformity, Certificate of Equipment Used for Vehicular Emission Testing, Third-Party Source Emission Testing Firm Accreditation, and Air Quality Management Exhibit. For Exhibit 2, or booth number 2, Environmental Compliance Certificate. Number 3, Chemical Importation Clearances and Registrations. Booth number 4, TSD Facility Registration, Hazardous Waste Transporter Registration Certificate, and E-Waste Collection Bill. For booth number 5, Tree Cutting Permit and Certificate of Wildlife Registration. Number 6, Wildlife Import Permit and Local Transport Permit. Number 7, EMB NCR Legal and Cashier. Number 8, Permit to Operate and Discharge Permit. Habang ang booth number 9 naman, Environmental Compliance Certificate, Certificate of Non-Coverage, and Hazardous Waste Generators ID. Booth number 10, Company Registration System and Pollution Control Officer Accreditation. For booth number 11, Solid Waste Management Exhibit. 12 for National Ecology Center Exhibit, and booth number 13. So booth numbers 1 to 12 only. Alright. So sa ating pong mga kliyente, coming from different sectors po, official na po bukas ang ating DNR Express Permitting on Wheels. At para po sa additional information, ang ating pong Permitting on Wheels ay fully supported by our online systems. This means mas mabilis, mas transparent, at mas accessible ang proseso, bringing digital governance into environmental regulation. This initiative is also strongly guided by the leadership and vision of President Marcos and Secretary Cuna, whose push for digital transformation has inspired DNR to streamline and modernize our permitting systems. Our goal is clear: to serve as a catalyst for sustainable development, kung saan ang economic growth at environmental protection move forward hand in hand. So right now, ang ating pong pong mga officials coming from DNR and City Government of Manila ay isinasagawa po ang walkthrough from booth number 1 to another para makita po kung ano ang mga serbisyong maaaring ma-avail ng ating mga kliyente ngayong araw dito sa City of Manila. At gusto lang po natin ulitin na ang launching po ito ay nangyayari di lamang po dito sa City of Manila. Ito po ay sabayang isinasagawa sa 17 regional offices ng bansa. So sa lahat po, sa lahat ng nakatutok sa ating Facebook page, Facebook Live right now, tama? So nakalive po tayo ngayon sa ating official Facebook page ng DNR. It's Department of Environment and Natural Resources. So please watch and get all the details there para mas maalam po tayo pagdating sa iba't ibang servisyo na ino-offer ng DNR at DNP. Alright? So right now, still ongoing ang walkthrough headed by our DNR Secretary Joaquin Del Ticuna together with Honorable Mayor of the City Government of Manila, Yorme Isko Moreno Domagoso. So ladies and gentlemen, don't forget the details of our booths number 1 to 12. So lahat po natin nahanap natin permit na pwede natin
mag-donate na sa
properly in place sa iba't ibang mga number. Ay, sa iba't ibang mga numbers sa ating
mga electronic plates.
program area. So let's reiterate ang booth numbers 1 to 12. Certificate of conformity, certificate of equipment used for regular emission testing, third-party source emission testing period of accreditation, and air quality management procedure. Environmental compliance certificate. Number 3, capital incorporation licenses and registrations. Number 4, USD facility registration, hazardous waste transport registration certificate, and e-waste collection. Number 5, and certificate of wildlife registration. Number 6, wildlife import permits and local permit, local transport permit. Number 7, EMBS and Mega and Bashir. Number 8, permit to operate and discharge permit. Number 10, environmental maintenance certificate, certificate of non-coverage and hazardous waste, generators body. Number 10, National registration system and pollution control officer accreditation. Number 11, solid waste management exhibit and number 12, that's the National Ecology Center exhibit. So sa lahat po ng ating mga kasama ngayong araw dito sa San Lorenzo
Asa si Sir Judy, paano natin ka na?
From numbers 1 to 12. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite everyone, especially those clients na mag-a-apply po ng kanyang permit, to please go to your respective booths para makisagawa na po at mag-proseso ang inyong aplikasyon. So bago po tayo magtapos sa unang araw ng ating programa, isang malaking pasasalamat po muli sa lungsod ng Maynila sa pangunguna ni Mayor Isko Moreno Domagoso para sa inyong mainit na pagkakataon. Nais ko rin po ang pagkakataon na magpapatuloy po ang ating ating DNR Express Permitting on Wheels hanggang bukas dito po sa Plaza San Lorenzo Ruiz para magtuloy-tuloy ang pagproseso ng inyong applications. And right now po, kailangan po namin ulit kayo lahat. Please like, follow, and